close as I'll get to the Grand Canyon. We're in Prescott, Arizona. Prescott. I'm going to get into town just in time for rush hour into Phoenix. Not good, running behind schedule like usual. Prescott Valley, Cottonwood, Phoenix. Airstream, pulled by a 4x4 Suburban. How do you like that? A 2500 with late model wheels. Cool. Same vehicle. Ultimate tow vehicle. Gas. Prescott Valley, Phoenix. Nice scenery. Suburban. Oh yeah, can't turn. Red light. International Bible Conference. No time. Guess God will always be there when I'm ready. BMW. Old one. Lots of place to sit down. Oh, whistle. How's my whistle? I got a whistle too. Off to, where are we headed now? Phoenix! Back into the oven, the Phoenix Valley. Down, 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 down. We descend into the Phoenix Valley. ATV. Alright, seen enough. There's not much here to see, just scrub and cement plants of some sort. That's it. Thanks for looking. Enjoying our trip behind schedule off the junkyard.